thanks to everyone that's joined us on the Next Gen Evangelist Facebook page. To mix it up today, you know, the evangelist needs to be healthy and strong. So today we're gonna fix a cultural meal that I have learned to absolutely love. Any guesses? I'll give a dramatic pause here so you can guess. This is fries, meat, cheese, and gravy. When you put it all together, what do you have? Je vais vous expliquer en français. C'est quelque chose qu'on mange beaucoup au Québec. Est-ce que vous avez deviné? Oui, c'est la poutine. Do you know what it is, you English speakers? This is poutine. Poutine, they call it in Quebec. And it's made by a mix of French fries, meat, gravy, cheese, put it all together. You can go to McDonald's in Quebec and buy poutine. It is fantastic. Sounds strange until you eat it. It is delectable. Join us a little bit later and I will have the full meal ready for you to look at. Okay, all you Next Geners, here we go. We're about to finish our poutine and it looks delectable. Meat, cheese, French fries, and then the crowning ingredient, gravy. So let's go ahead and work the magic here. Just take the gravy and pour it over the top according to how much you want in there. Vive le Québec et bon appétit. On va manger le poutine. This is poutine from Quebec. Enjoy your meal. Again, this is a very unique cultural meal from Quebec that everyone loves to eat there. Served up in a lot of fast food and restaurants. Poutine. Have a good night, guys.